Hello guys, hello family, it's your beauty girl from the village, Alice Njoki one again, and today I'm here as I have promised you yesterday. Today I'm here. I've decided to come here and roast some sausages. As you can see here, we have our sausages, guys, and I want to go and found some firewoods, guys, and come roast our sausages, guys. As you can see, I'm here. I'm really searching for some firewoods, guys. I'm searching for firewoods and I want to put it there. So okay, guys, I have promised you yesterday, guys. Yesterday I have promised you that I will come here to the waterfall and roast some sausages, guys. As you can see, I'm here. I'm trying, and I'm really struggling to washing my motor, my fire, guys. So let me search the firewood, then we wash our fire, guys. Okay, guys, and I'm really sweating. Okay, here we have our matchbox. As you can see, this is matchbox that we are using here in our village. So I want to struggling to wash this motor. I don't know where I will put my camera because today I don't have a cameraman, but I will see somebody passing there to the road. I will call him and tell him to come and be my cameraman, guys, so that you can see all the process that I'm doing to roast my sausages. Okay, as you can see, even I'm really sweating because there is sun here. I'm trying to take the light firewood here, guys. Oh, I think it's trying to be fired faster because I'm hungry. I'm so hungry, guys. I haven't eaten at home yet. I've decided to come to eat here in the waterfall, guys. So let me check it. The light firewoods, guys, like this one. Put it here. Okay, guys. You can see my fire is now firing very well, as the way I was wanting. So I want to search for the like 3 sticks, guys. I want to search for 3 sticks so that I can get inside the sausages and put it there to the fire, guys. So guys, let me go search for guava leaf so that I can put my sausages after burning them, after roasting them. I can put it there. Let me go search for some guava leaves, guys. I've seen here. I will take it many as you can. It's too heavy with it. I'm struggling to get it, guys. And as you look, our stone is very clean, but I will use these leaves to put it, guys. I'm using the leaves, the guavas leaves, guys, to put some my sausages up there. Yeah, guys. Really enjoy my meal today. I want to cook for you guys. I think you will appreciate my meal. You will appreciate, guys. So let us start. Guys, I have put my phone to the store. I don't have cameraman, guys, and I'm struggling to open this thing. I don't have knife, I don't have anything. Just struggling. This one. I have to insert like this up to the end, guys. As you can see, I'm really struggling. Oh gosh. I'm struggling. Then I will put it here. Let me show you how I will put it, guys. I'll put it like that. As you can see, like that, guys. Let me take another stick. I don't know if you are seeing me very well, guys. I don't know if you are seeing. Let me insect another one, guys. I want to insect these two of this, two of this, and put it to the fire, guys. Guys, I'm really struggling to burn this my sausages, as you can see. Totally struggling. So, guys, I'm still roasting my sausages there. That was my sausages, guys. As you can see, this is my sausages. I'm roasting there like that. So I rotate them. Yeah, this one I see is starting to burn. Yeah, guys, like that. Let me wait. This one is removing. I think this one is one to. Yeah, like that. Like that, guys. As you can see, like that, guys. Oh my god, what is wrong with these my sausages? I think there is fine. Not bad. As you can see, it's still roasting. I'm still roasting my sausages here. I'm still roasting my sausages, guys. Okay, guys, on my side I have my chapatis here and my soup. I will use it. This chapati I will use it to eat with that soup. One sausage is there, guys, as you can see. Another one, guys. I don't know. There is no coming in good shapes. but I will try it the best, guys. Let me roast another one. I want to roast another one, guys. So guys, you see how it looked like before we roast it? It looked like this before I roast it here. So let me put it, this one here. Oh, like that. I want to taste if it's good. I want to taste this one, guys. I want to taste this one. So sweet, baby. So sweet, and it's good, baby. See? So sweet. My mom teach me to. So guys, my mom teach me how to roast. If you don't have your cooking flour or cooking oil, you can roast it without using an oil. Maybe you can roast it like that without using any of oil. So, and I think it's so nice. Yeah, it's not bad. So nice, guys. Let me put it here to my chapatis. Welcome. I've tasted all of it because it's tasting yummy and nice, guys. I have said, let me taste, but I have eaten all of it. Yeah. So sweet. Let me roast this another one. Yeah. This one. Yeah. I'm roasting this one now. This is the last one. 3 of it will be enough for me. After that, guys, let us wait. So, oh gosh, this is my self-stick. Gosh. So guys, after this one, I will go and show you our waterfall again, round 2, down there. After we finish to roast our sausages, we'll go there, down there, and see how the waterfall it look like. Because yesterday there is rain has rained here in Marwas village, so there is sorry, and I'm seeing even today the weather is not good. Let me show you. The weather is not good. Totally is not good. As you can see, there is looking like they want to rain. The weather is totally not good, guys, here in our village. So guys, I'm just trying to hurry up so that this rain can't, it will not, he will, English banner. English is not my mouth, guys, and English is not what, so that this rain can't found me here in Waterfall, guys. English is so hard to me, guys, so that this waterfall can't found me here. So I'm really struggling. So let us wait this our sausages to burn. After that, roast it. After that, we go down there. We finish our video. Then we go home. Or what are you seeing? And if you want maybe if you want me to do some video, you just comment to the comment section and tell me, Alice, I want this and this video. Stop being there. You know, this video I'm doing it because of you, my people. I'm doing it because of you. So if you want me to do any video, just comment there and I will see that comment. I will do any video that you want, guys. Okay. Guys, before we go down there, let me start. I eat my chapati and my my chapati. This is my chapati and my soup, guys. This is our African soup. We are cooking like that. We are cooking like that, guys. So we are not using any tomato, spices, and it's so cool, guys. As you can see, my soup, so nice. That's so nice. This soup is helping you to your, to your legs to be strong, your bones to be strong, guys. So it's helping you, your bones, your legs, yeah. Guys, as you can see, this is meat. It looks like this. This is fat meat. I don't know if you know fat meat. That meat that have some fat. And so nice. So nice. Yeah. Let me taste my chapatis here. This is my chapati, guys. Yeah, so nice. Welcome to Africa, Kenya, guys. This is my meat. Oh, guys, I'm done cooking my sausages. you want me to show you my sausages, guys? How it look like? I am done and my stomach is full now. As you can see, my stomach is full. Hey, I'm seeing the rain, guys. The rain is coming. I don't know if I will make it. I want to go to show you down there. So we finish this our video. Let me show you my roast. Look like that. Whoa. I'm waiting. I'm going to drink my soup. Have you ever eaten chapati before, guys? Have you ever eaten chapati with a traditional soup like this one? Like this one? Have you ever? We haven't used any. We haven't used any spices like onion, like tomato, no onion, no cooking oil, guys. Just like that, you put your meat on the water, then you put your water, you wait it to boil it until the until the meat is ready to eat, guys. Okay, so you get it down, then you eat it like that. I really, really love meat. I really love meat, guys. Oh, I'm done. So, guys, my stomach is full and I'm done, guys. So, let's just go down there to the river. We finish our video there. Then I go home before this. Let me show you. Before this rain. To rain me here in the forest, guys. And I'm so afraid. I'm just me and my motorbike, and my motorbike is really has started going there. So let's go, guys. So guys, we are going, as you can see, and as you can feel that sound of water, guys. We are going there. I show you. So we are going. Let me walk slowly because of water. I can't fall down, guys. I'm going. I'm still going. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so this is our waterfall, as you can see. This is now our waterfall, guys. This is our waterfall, guys. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share video, guys. I really love you. See you in the next